All right, guys, I'm going to go over some of the answers and the work methodology for the exponents worksheet that we worked on yesterday. So let's start with this one here, a more simpler one right here, number 1. 2 to the third over 2 to the fifth. Well, we have matching bases, right? The 2 and the 2. So all we do there is just say 2 to the 3 minus 5 power, which equals 2 to the negative 2. And if we were going to be proper about it, we would say 1 over 2 to the positive 2. That's how we get rid of the negative exponent like that. Moving on, let's do number 2. A little more involved here. We have our second power here, and we just needed to distribute that to all of these in here, every single thing. So 3 to the second power times y squared to the second power times y to the second power times 4 to the second power. And we get 9 y to the fourth y squared, and then 4 squared is 16. So then we have 16 times 9 times 10 is 90. 9 times 6 is 54, so we get 144. Y to the 6th power. We add 4 plus 2 and get 6 there. Moving on, number 3. G times g to the 4th. That's as simple as g to the 1 plus 4 power, which is g to the 5th. Very nice. Number 4, we have 3 g to the 3rd, b to the 5th times 5 g b to the 4th. So first I want to take these big coefficient numbers over here and multiply those. So 3 times 5, 15. And then I match up my variables. They're the same. My g's and my b's. So g to the 3rd times b, or times g to the 1st would be g to the 4th. We added 3 plus 1 to get 4 there. And then b to the 5th, b to the 4th would get b to the 9th. Adding those up, just like that. Here, we use the same rule that we use in, I believe, number 1, where we add first power, 5th power. We just do 1 minus 5 and get n to the negative 4, which is 1 over n to the positive 4. Number 6, same thing we did earlier. Take this third power to every single thing inside the parentheses. 3 to the 3rd times h to the 2nd to the 3rd times 4 to the 3rd times h to the 3rd. And we get 27. And h to the 6th, right? 2 times 3 is 6, times 4 to the 3rd, which is 64. And then we have h to the 3rd. So then we do 27 times 64. We'll work that out on my calculator here. $1,728. And then h to the 6th times h to the 3rd would be h to the 9th. Here we add the exponents when we multiply these like bases together. Okay, scroll up here to number 7. So here we want to match up everything that's in common here. I have my z's and my n's. And of course, this 8 times 7, we know is 56, so we'll put that there. We'll take care of that. And then z to the 2nd, z to the 3rd, z to the 1st. So we add those up and get z to the 6th. And for the n's, we get n to the 13th. We add up 4 plus 6 plus 3. And that's all we got to do there. Number 8, we, again, matching game, match up the variables to the like variables here top to bottom. So we do our 2 and our 7. Those don't match, so we can't do anything with those. And then we have w to the first and w to the fifth. So we have w to the 1 minus 5 is w to the -4. And then d to the 2 minus 4 would be d to the -2. And then we can rewrite that as 2 over 7 w to the fourth, d to the second power. Okay, and these two, 9 and 10, same thing we've done before. Distribute these exponents to every piece inside. Make sure when you do the 4, you're doing 4 to the second power and not 4 times 2. It's always the second power for everything that's in there. And then you would complete the rest, whatever needs to be in there. Okay, so use those to guide you along on the rest of the worksheet. And best of luck to you. Look forward to seeing your nice corrected work. And I'll see you in class. Bye.